Welcome Ahlan. In this recording we will look at Moodle 1.9 and different formats for delivering the content on the page. Moodle calls it course format, and it allows us to display the different boxes on the content page in different ways. So in this recording we will look at two different types of formats, which are the main formats that are used, which is basically the weekly format and the topics format. So let's go to our course page. This is our course page. I've logged into my course, and as usual, if you want to do any editing, you normally will turn editing on here on the top right. But to edit the settings, you just need to open the course administration in the left block here and click edit settings. So we will just browse down to this section here, which is format, number of topics, and course start date. So by default it's organized in topics format, so let's leave it like that for now, and we'll change the number of topics. Let's say we just have 6 topics, and our course starts on the 25th of September. So, and then we'll go and save changes. So you'll see now how our course now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 topics. And in order to give titles to those topics, we'll go on the top right, turn editing on. The top box, which has a default news forum, is always there no matter which type of course format you choose, and you can normally add things like syllabus and overall course content in this box. So for example, here we'll just edit box number 1 and we'll say, and we'll uncheck the use default section name, and we'll type topic 1, introduction to online learning, for example. Save changes. And now this is our topic, and similarly we'll uncheck section name, topic 2, moderating discussions, for example, could be another topic. And you can also add a summary, and if you click on the help there, it will actually tell you it will actually show up if you add a summary. It will show below the section name on the course page. So normally you just want to, if you want to add that, you just want to have a short blurb and not too long paragraph, in order to avoid the page getting very long. Right, so etc. So you can keep adding the topic titles, and let's say you want to reorganize topics later. You can just do that using those arrows here. So for example, we want to move topic 2 at the top, then this is just how you do it. And the one thing is that you can't do is you can't move the top box, box anywhere else. So that's basically the topic format and how you would use it. And this little highlight here that you see in each box, you could manually, for example, let's say Currently your students are on topic 1, you could click that and it would make this box highlighted, and as the course goes along, let's say now they are supposed to move on to topic this second topic, and you would click this one, etc., but you would have to manually update it. So that's regarding the topics format. Let's now go and change it to the weekly format. So we go back here to edit settings. Let's say our course is a standard semester course with 13 weeks, so we'll change the number of topics to 13, and we'll change it here to weekly format. And let's say normally our week starts on Monday, so we'll say the course start date is the 26th of September, and we'll save changes. So now you see how except for the 2 boxes here where I actually had manually changed the section name, for the others it's actually giving me the start and end date of that week, so that now each box is for a week starting from the 26th of September. So let's say we go back to here, this topic, and then we want to check use default section name so that it goes back to the week start date, and you can actually add a summary here. For example, in this week we will talk about the basics of online learning, right? So it gives you the week start and end date and the summary of that week. Similarly here, we want to check this to have the dates, and we will say in this week we will look at using forums for discussion. And good practice is to potentially add the main objective of this week if it's not too long. So etc. So now you see how our course is organized by week, starting with the start date of the course, 26th of September in my case, and ending with the number of weeks that I've added, in this case 13, and it will automatically calculate it. And if you ever update the course start date, it will automatically recalculate all the dates of the week. So that ends our recording for the course format. Let me know if you have any questions.